Hello friends, my name is Rodia. Today we will learn how to make a login form in HTML. So first we are going to open VS Code and then we'll make a new file called login.html. Then we will write login.css in another file. Now I will write doc in my login.html. I'll write login form in HTML and CSS. So now I will write h1, which is going to say login form in HTML. So now I am going to write form. Then we will remove this action. So I'm going to press enter. Then I will write label for FN, which is going to be first name. So I'm going to write input, which is going to be text. So now I am going to add a BR but you don't have to add a BR because now I will save it and copy the path. And then I will press Ctrl V, then press enter. Then we'll see this, but if I add a BR in between them and I reload the browser, it will become like this. So now I am going to copy these, then I will add 2 BRs, then I will press Ctrl V and then I will write last name, and then I will add 2 more BRs, then I will write and then I'm going to paste it and write password. So I'm going to change this to P, and it's going to be input type password. So before the password, I'll add 2 more BRs, and then I'll add in email, then I'll write E here. So I'm going to write input type email. So if you want it to be required, we will write required here. So I'm going to make everything required. So now I will write input. It is going to be button. So now when we reload it, will see all of these, but this button is very tiny. So we are just going to use ordinary button. We're going to make the type to be submit, which is going to say log in. So now we're going to write link. We're going to use the link.css. So we're going to write login here. So I will save it and then go to login.css. Then I will write body. I'll set the background color to orange. I'm going to write form, and then I will write background color orange red. So I will save it and then reload this. Now we'll see that this button says login, and then when I click the button and I don't write anything here, it'll say please fill out this field. So I'll write something and then click login. It'll say please fill out this field too. Then if I just write this, it's going to say please enter an email address. So I'm going to write now it'll say please fill out this field. Then I'll write it, so it will say this. If I save it and I go to first name, go to the last name, the email, password, it'll see this. So now we'll see that when we reload it, these don't disappear, only the first name and the last name disappear. So now we will add font size, which is going to be 30 px. So now when I save it and I reload my browser, it will become bigger. So now I will write width 1000 here now. So now when I reload this, it becomes smaller, but we still see that the email and the password are still there. Even if we delete them, we reload it, we'll see that they just come back because we saved it to the website. So we can add a font family, Seagull UI. Now I'll save it and reload it. Now we'll see that the font changes. So now we are going to go to our HTML. Then we'll add one more BR here. Now we'll save it and then reload the browser. Now we'll see that there is this space. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this. So bye.